Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money abroad quickly and securely using Western Union. There are a couple of steps you need to keep in mind. First of all, you need to register and verify your profile. Opening a profile is completely free. All you have to do is go to westernunion.com and click on register at the top right corner. Click on here to register. Alright, and then simply verify your profile using your driver's license, passport, or government issued ID. Any one of these documents will do. So, if you want to register using the app, you can do so by downloading the Western Union app from Play Store or Apple Store, or you can just scan this QR code here. Now, then fill out all the details like your first name, last name, email address, and password. Now select where you want to transfer the money to. And if this is your first time transfer, you will get a offer that says $0 transfer on only for your first transfer. All right. Now enter the destination and amount you'd like to send. Then choose to send money internationally or locally directly to your recipient's bank account or a nearby Western Union location, or you can even send directly to their mobile wallet. There are a couple of options. So keep in mind that there might be some transfer fees depending on the location you want to send. You can see how much the person will receive. If you want to send, for example, if you want to send $100 to Mexico, that is on the homepage. Okay, so for example, you want to send $100 to, let's say, in Jamaica. So that person will get this amount. Where you can see the live exchange rate on the homepage. Now back to the transaction page. What is this one? Okay, so these are the options here. Okay, I'll get back to it quickly. First, you have to choose the payment method. All right, so you can pay via your card, your debit card, credit card. You can pay from your bank account, or you can even use Google Pay, or you can pay cash in a store, and this is only available when sending money to a bank account. Otherwise, you will have to use these options if you want to send money online. Okay, then the person you want to send the money to, you will need that person's details like the name, last name, the relationship to receiver, their ID number. This is actually optional. Email and phone number, date of birth, country of birth, city, state, zip code. Make sure you have all this information for the receivers. All right. And once you have that ready, just click continue and the money will be sent almost instantly. Also, if you are sending this amount to a mobile wallet, for example, or let's just stick with bank account, right? So you will need the bank name, account types, whether it is savings or checking, the routing number, account number, then make sure to confirm the account number again and the purpose for transfer. Now, once you have everything ready, make sure you have done your identity verification, otherwise, you won't be able to send any money. Then, once your KYC is done, just complete a transfer, and you will have to have some sort of payment method added. And for easier transaction, I'd recommend you use either a credit card or a debit card. Debit card will be best as there is no fee involved. So that's the overview of how you can send money from Western Union to someone else. So again, that's all there is to it. It- All the steps mentioned here are mostly one time. So this is just a one time step you have to do, and your KYC, registration, etc. And if you want to send money again, all the information are here. All you have to do is just go to the app, select how much money you want to send and just click send to the person again, and that's it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.